Hi guys, welcome back to Val's Kitchen. First, I want to say to you all a Merry Christmas when it comes and a happy and a prosperous New Year. What I'm going to be doing today guys, I'm going to be doing a juicy jerk pork, oven jerk pork guys. Right? I'm going to make a lovely jerk sauce for my jerk pork. So here are all my ingredients. Here's my pretty meat that is already washed. It's nice and clean. Wash it with some vinegar. You can use anything of your choice. Alright, so here are all my lovely ingredients. I have rosemary, thyme, pepper. I have 6 pegs of garlic. They are not too big. I have ginger, I have pimento seed. The nutmeg guys is for flavor, a nice flavor in a jerk, the nutmeg. Give you a nice flavor and for tenderness. Alright, it can tenderize your meat. We have scallion, we have onion. Right, I'm gonna use about a half tablespoon of brown sugar. Any sugar you can use though. I'm gonna use vinegar to blend the seasoning. I have some dark soy sauce and I'm gonna use some salt, a little salt to taste. Alright, so I'm gonna put this together and show you. Okay? We don't have to do a nice chop, you know, guys. We just chunk them up because we're gonna blend them. Alright? I want a good amount. This guys is a perfect idea. Anytime, you know, Christmas, New Year's, you know, you have a family get together, guys. You can put your nice oven jerk together, you know, or you can put it on a grill, you know, outside. But I'm not grill. Don't have any grill, guys. So yeah. So let me just put this together. Everything nice. Put it in. Alright, so yeah, let me just cut up. If you're cooking any meat, hard meat and then something, you try and marinate it for a couple hours or even overnight for best result. Your oxtail, your pork, your beef, or you know, say your fish, chicken and them something real easy to marinate, but like a pork and so, give it a couple hours to get in all the seasoning. Alright? Pepper, I have to be careful with the pepper, you know. 2.5 pounds of pork. So you see I use 1 onion, just make your thing nice, right? Make it nice. Use a good portion of seasoning. Alright? Don't be afraid to season your pot. Right guys? About half a teaspoon of nutmeg. One teaspoon of sugar. I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons of vinegar. I want a nice marinating, guys. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce. Alright? And with the salt, I'm gonna use half teaspoon because the soy sauce is already salty. Alright? So a small amount. You don't want your food to be too salty. I'm gonna blend this together and come and put it on the meat. Alright guys? Guys, look at this. Look at this. It smells so nice. You can just eat it. Nice marinade. Generous amount. Alright? You know the pepper on my hand is gonna work. Okay. Yes, this is it guys. Nice and lovely. Alright, so see you all on the next clip when I'm gonna put it in the oven. Alright? I am back after certain hours, couple of hours. You can marinate it from overnight guys. Best result. So you're taking the season nicely guys. So what I'm gonna be doing now is put it in the oven, preheat the oven for 350 degrees. I don't want the meat to stick, so I just put a small amount of cooking oil. Right? If you have the non-stick baking dish or whatever, you don't have to do it. But this will stick, so I'm doing it this way. So I'm gonna place my meat. Right. First, I'm gonna leave for about 1 hour first. Right? First 1 hour, and then check it to see. Right, so you got enough space. And I'm gonna put utilize up the leftover. You know, you don't want the juice to cook, to well cook your meat, guys. Right? So if you have some people like beer. Some people like beer, you know, you can, if you have the beer, guys, you can sprinkle some beer in the baking dish and, you know, do your thing. But I'm not using any beer. Guys, use a foil paper, because if you just put it in the oven like this, unlocked, or just open up like this, it's gonna come out dry and it's not gonna be moist and nice. So guys, use your, if you have, you know, you have some people have the baking dish with them cover or whatever that can go in the oven. Cover your meat when you're cooking, when you're baking or you're jerking in your oven or whatever you're doing in your oven, cover it. Alright? Cover whatever you're putting in your oven. Most likely you're doing cake, or so you don't have to cover your cake. Doing your meat in your oven, cover your meat, guys. Lock in all the moist and you get that juicy, nice meat when you finish. Alright, so I'm going to place it in the oven now. First hour or hour and 20 minutes first. Alright. Alright. So guys, after 1 hour, I'm going to check and do it in the oven. Ooh, hot heat. Wow. It smells so good. It smells so good. Guys, it's so soft. So soft. Just kind of use. I'm gonna invest in a turkey baster, you know. Definitely, I'm gonna buy one, you know. So, really soft, you know. It's so soft. 1 hour, you know. 1 hour. So, I'm just gonna cover it back. So, guys, I'm gonna take off the cover from it. It's gonna flip it. Office man, I say I have to buy meat from that lady, you know, because when I buy meat from her, you know, guys, I get a real nice meat, you know. Yeah, but I'm not gonna put on by the cover, right? When you're cooking it, when you're baking, when you put it in the oven, it's the reason for covering it. Alright, this is a nice result that you get. It's steam and it do the things then cook through properly. Alright? Give it another 45 to an hour again, alright? Yeah, so good. Wow. But guys, you know, you have to keep your meat moist. So you have to continue basting it. You know, me look up, where I call this improvise. Ooh, guys. Yeah, man. Alright, so this is it. Alright. So I want to cook it for at least 2 hours. Okay? Alright. Wow, guys. So, looks so, watch it, look at that. Look. You see that shake? Jello. Jelly. Tea. You see when you're cooking a meat, when you're baking a jerking a meat, you see anything you do in the oven, you see the water, all the water come from the meat and no more water is left in the container, you know that the meat is well done. Alright guys, so just want 2 more minutes, maybe 3 more minutes and that's it. Yeah, you see it? Nice. Well nice, soft man, well soft. At the end of the day, you know, is the skin, you know. And you see from the skin, right through the skin, it cook. Right? You know it cook. See it? Yeah. Yeah man, that's it guys. Another 5 minutes and it's done. Alright? This is the end. This is the final dish. Nice and soft. Right? So so now, I'm gonna do a display plate. I'm have to taste my food, guys. I have to taste my food. I'm gonna taste my seasoning too, you know. We just taste my seasoning. And then we have to make sure you don't cook blind. Here, guys. Nice and juicy. Right? It's a good Christmas idea too. Family dinner and thing, you know? Yeah. Nice and juicy, guys. The proof is in the pudding, all right? But this is the pork. The proof is in the pork. Wow. Guys, this meat is so tender and juicy, not dry. Just cover your thing, guys. Don't let nobody fool you, guys. Cover your thing in the beginning, and when you get into the end, like halfway through your cooking, you can take out the cover. You get a nice juicy meat, guys. Alright? Come on, I'm gonna put my hand and my foot and everything and I just cook it, guys. Just try the recipe step by step as how I do it. You understand? But when you put it in the salt, you can always know if your mom because your pork cannot be too fresh, right? So your pork after having the salt, you know what I mean there? I make it nice and juicy and tender. So guys, I hope you all enjoy your holiday and thank you all for the support during the year, guys, and thanks again for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. Give me a thumbs up, guys, press the like button, please. Yeah. Alright guys, and see you all in the next video and bye.